Hi, I'm Jean-Marie Georges with Sadever. My friend Glassy and I will explain you today what is toughening. After molding, the glass shell arrives at toughening while still very hot. Air is blown over the surface of the hot glass shell. The surface cools down quickly while the inside glass volume remains warmer. The difference in the cooling speed between the inside and the surface will create stresses in the glass. Permanent compression stresses are created on the surface, while permanent tensile stresses are created inside. While a slow cooling process would result in the shrinkage of the glass, the speed of toughening will inhibit this volume reduction and therefore generate the permanent extension forces inside the glass balanced by the compression pre-stresses on the skin. At the end of this process, the glass shell is split into two sections with compression and tensile internal stresses. The compressive zone, which gives strength to the glass, acts like a shield and is about 2 to 3 mm thick.